Hello, Randy Rain here, and I have the last of the animated animations Warner Brothers versions. There is a Mel Blanc tribute, but it's totally different. It doesn't work like any of these. And this cuts it down to two that I know I haven't done. Besides this one, Tinkerbell and Steamboat Mickey. So let me get this one going. I can already see this one's going to be a problem. The switch to turn it on, which is also the volume knob, is not working properly. It doesn't click off. You can turn it on and then you get it to click, but yeah, it turns past and something's not right with the switch. But you can turn it on and hear things going. Like all of them, there's two screws on each side. I'm going to go ahead and take the batteries out since that switch is acting weird. Alright, I like to pry open the corner away from the switch. Sometimes these are hard. Flip around. This switch comes apart. Just undo it there. This thing can go away now. Alright, there's one motor here I can see. And I can already see a broken tin tooth. This is very typical on this motor setup. I'm guessing all of these are like this. But take this off. Yep, there's two motors over here, so I'm guessing that's all of them. This activates this one and this one. This motor is going to activate. Nope, this one's probably. I don't know which one does that one. One of them's going to do that. This one. There's some people back here that scream, which is funny. And obviously he gets his head bashed over with the guitar, which is why I never understood the controversy with this thing. He always loses. I mean, I don't know. I always liked Pepe Le Pew. I thought he was funny. This looks exactly like all the other ones, especially like the last one I did, which I think was Batman. Yep, there's going to be a tin tooth right here that's broken. This worm drive is probably on its way out. Yep, I can see some cracking going on. Still good, but it was cracking. Yep, so that makes her come out. I guess then the other direction makes them come out. That's funny. Oh, my lovely living. Worm drive on there. There's one. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and look at this switch while I'm right here. It may need a whole new potentiometer. See, it's working, but it shouldn't be able to go past there. Okay, so obviously it works there. It's supposed to stop. It shouldn't be able to go there, but it can. Obviously something is broke. I believe there's something inside. Alright, let's just move over to here. Same thing. Same thing. Cracked. All these are starting to crack. Not too much. See, this one brings up the people there until click. The other direction brings down him. Click. Now we have this one. That one didn't feel too bad, but let's see. Yeah, I mean, it's still, they're all cracking. Okay, this one, let's see, is turning, brings up this to there. And then the other direction brings this to there. All right, let's see what happens. Didn't do anything. Okay, maybe it's just set the way it should be. I can plug in the switch. Let's see. Oh, that's loud. Okay, it works, but I can't get it very loud, and I'm pretty sure because of that switch. And this was awful noisy here. Put a little grease on that. So just a bunch of broken gears, mainly. And this can go back. So everything works except for this. There's stuff broken inside, so this potentiometer has to be replaced. And no idea what value it is. I should be able to check from the here and here. What's that? .3, so it's probably a 10K. That would be my guess. It's supposed to be a 10K. Okay, fast forward to where I have this potentiometer. Like, come off. I'm thinking it's a 10K. That sounds about right. So that's what I got. Alrighty, let's see if this works. Turn it on. Turn the volume all the way up. I'll jump the button here.
My name is Pepe Le Pew. Les belles femmes skunk fatales.
I've never seen one that still had this on there. It's the limited edition. I don't believe that they made 9,500 of these. I just don't. Where are they? Because they're all broken. I can tell you that much. It has a certificate of authenticity. Like, it's on the back. Did they think people were going to, like, copy these? And in the future, someone was going to be going, well, I don't know. I think this one might be a fake. I've got the certificate of authenticity right here. There you go. Nice and pretty. So this is from a company called Animated Animations, and they completely just vanished off the face of the earth. And there's only 3 more that I know that I haven't done, It's the Tinkerbell, the Steamboat Mickey, and then there's a tribute to Mel Blanc that's completely different. It's more like a moving sign than anything. If you have any of those and they need to be fixed, well, contact me. But I'm declaring this is the easiest one of these to fix. If it wasn't for that switch, it would take me about 10 minutes to do. Anyway, you ready to see it in action? Well, here it is.
It's a wonderful morning. The sky is clear. The flowers are beautiful. Les mew, les Ah, a belle American tourist named Skunk. Monumental! Un skunk at Pew! Ah, my little darling, it is love at first sight, is it not? No? We shall make beautiful music together right here. Yoo-hoo, rabbit! Sortez-vous, wherever you... Ah? You know, it is possible to be too attractive.
If you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit the subscribe button. I want to thank these people. These are the patrons. These are the people bringing you this kind of stuff, and the nice people who sent this to me also to help fix it. And so they should be thanking these people as well, because they're the ones that allow me to do this and be able to fix these things and show them to the world like this. So I thank them oh so very much. And if you'd like to become a patron too, there's links, there's perks and stuff as well. So go check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching.
My name is Pepe Le Pew. Les mew, les Ah, les belles femmes skunk fatales. Un skunk de Pew! Permit me to introduce you myself. I am Pepe Le Pew, your lover. We can spend the rest of our lives making love. Where are you, pigeon? I am looking for you. You know, it is possible to be too attractive.